What you're looking at is the untold stories. This is where those numbers are buried. There's substance abuse, there's mental illness, there's health concerns.
America is suffering from an overdose crisis.
Drugs, alcohol, and everything else. This is what life is. This is what you're looking at.
What do condoms have to do with drug overdoses?
And brother Jeff Farrard is on a mission to expose the uncomfortable truth,
But we make this available all of the time.
and help his community overcome its struggles with drug addiction.
And there's a lack of resources in terms of giving this the attention it needs in terms of a health priority as opposed to a criminal approach.
Farrard operates an outreach program where he's hoping to help substance abusers like this man.
Life is what you make. But you know what? It does not mean that you don't give somebody a chance.
According to the CDC, fatal drug overdoses in the U.S. surged almost 20% during the pandemic, killing more than 83,000 people in 2020.
And you know what's happening out here.
And health experts say people of color are being disproportionately affected nationwide.
Unfortunately, in African American communities, there's not a lot of resources and treatment as well.
Tereshawn Winder is the clinical director with Watauga Health of Mississippi. While the CDC doesn't categorize overdose deaths by race, Winder says racial bias does exist. Pointing to a study by the Journal of the American Medical Association that shows black patients with opioid disorders were 35 times less likely than whites to be prescribed medication in preventing relapses and fatal overdoses.
It's a lack of education, a lack of knowing that this exists, and people have turned a deaf ear and they have winked at the fact that it exists.
Winder is now trying to bring more attention to this issue that's impacting cities across the country.
And it's about educating everyone and developing a culture where we help people who have addiction and not people because they have a certain skin color.
And for Farrard,
People don't want to tell these stories.
that means making sure all people are treated equally when it comes to treatment,
We're walking through the heart of the pain and we haven't even scratched the surface.
and exposing racial disparities, no matter how difficult the conversations might be.
Folks are out here dying in these streets. Am I telling the truth or am I lying?
Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
I'm Kai Beach reporting.
We do our own self.
Yeah.